up, YouTube? Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today. Right now we're in the middle of a budget cafe racer build. I'll put a link to that video somewhere up here. But at any rate, because we are doing a build, we're getting a whole pile of parts in. We're going to be doing unboxing videos on almost every part we get in for this bike. So, in this video here, we're going to be unboxing a damaged box to start with, but at any rate, oh, there it is. We're going to be unboxing this Daymaker Headlight bucket. This is an Amazon purchase. I will put a link that you can buy this exact same headlight in the description of this video. So if you are looking to purchase one, it's the link will be there. Initial impressions on the packaging, obviously I'm not too tickled. The box did come broken. We did purchase this light from Amazon. I want to say it was around 70 bucks. And that's typically what we end up spending on a Daymaker headlight anyway. This one did come with a bucket, which when you're dealing with a Nighthawk makes it really easy to swap in and out. Simply just pull your old headlight off and swap the new one in place, wire it up, everything like that. As far as the internals of the packaging, I mean, the headlight was in there nice. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And if you do not have a Nighthawk and you have any other bike, they do include these fork-mounted brackets. I've read some bad things about these, so if you're looking for a headlight and you're planning on fork-mounting it, I would recommend spending the money and getting a little bit more expensive light, just because the bracketry is probably going to be better. But at any rate, like I said, this is for a cafe racer build. There'll be a link to it up here. If you can, please like the video, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video.